guys, happy Sunday. Welcome to Cosying Up with Essy, where we do all things DIY, home decor and organization, hauls, thrift, tips and hacks for your home. My name is Esther and welcome back again to a home of little simple, cozy and inexpensive ideas. And if you haven't joined the DIY family yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video, guys, I have a curtain haul. So I went back to Eastleigh, guys, and so many people have been asking for this. So I decided to go back to Eastleigh and guys just see what else the shops have, and also the curtains, the new curtains that have come up. So I went to do a shopping haul. Actually, this is I didn't shop anything this time round. I just did a window shopping, and Mohamed, where I had bought curtains last time, requested for this video as well so that I can go and see the updates they have. So I did so, guys. I went to Eastleigh Apex Mall, guys. Apex Mall is just behind Moyale Mall, so you can still go there. And Moyale Mall, at least it's a mall that is very famous. So Apex Mall is on the other side of Moyale Mall, or the back side of Moyale Mall. So guys, you can get that that Apex Mall there. I'm also going to leave Mohamed's contact down below here. And this curtain haul, this haul, yeah, it's a haul, even if I didn't buy anything, guys. It's window shopping, but this haul, guys, I will be explaining detail by detail the curtains they have and the materials and the designs they have. So I'll be showing you step-by-step guide and even how to choose curtains and more information on curtains and blinds. So guys, if you don't know where to get curtains, or if you have been looking on how to upgrade your curtains and upgrade your home, this is a very interesting video for you to watch, and I hope you learn a lot and I hope you get some support. And yes, they also do deliver. So in case you're a bit far from Nairobi, or you're in Nairobi and you need delivery, you can just contact Mohamed and the team and they are going to help you on the same. So come along with me, guys, and hope you will enjoy the videos. So this is Cosying Up with Essy again. I'm in shop G25, G24 and 25, right? Yeah, so I'm in Apex Mall again, and guys, there is a time I also did a curtain haul. So this one is another one. So Mohamed asked me to come again, and also I wanted to look for some curtains and see the new curtain updates they have. So guys, I'm going to take you around. You'll be able to see what's happening. Not on me for the background noise, because there are other curtains which have been made at the moment. So yeah, so guys, so this is how the shop looks, and actually I'm loving these curtain holders because they didn't have them last time, and I'm thinking of taking a pair for my curtains. So this is really nice. So yeah, maybe introduce again Moha, who is the owner of the shop, and you can call him or chat him anytime. I'm going to leave his contacts on the description down below so that you can contact him if you want. You can write to him a message, you can call him once you're in Eastleigh, and he's going to be able to guide you on even the colors of the curtains and give you good prices like he did for me. Moha, hi.
Welcome our customers. I'm meeting you here in 4th Street, Eastleigh, or Morachina Road, with a mall called Apex Mall. We're located on Morachina Road. My shop number is G24 and G25. We are highly welcoming our customers with open arms. We really do our customers with a nice price that will make them happy. We'll give a nice discount. So stitching is totally free, whereas you will see other Eastleigh business are stitching 100 shilling per meter, as we are dealing with the stitching as a free. Then others, they are not here for around Nairobi, they are a far place. We can normally do as a delivery
within Nairobi and also countrywide. So you can always call and ask for how you can get your products, and they are genuine, guys. By the way, I can't bring you somebody who is not genuine. So this is a shop that is genuine. As you can see, I was here like 3-4 months ago, and I'm back here and I still found the same people still working on the same shop. So guys, this is a very good shop that you can buy your curtains, and you can always ask him on WhatsApp, or even call him and ask him what are the updates and the curtains that are coming up. Yeah, so guys, let's start this tour, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. So this is how the shop looks. It really has so many nice curtains. These curtains have some funny pattern that actually it's a cool pattern that I like, but they are light. So these are the light curtains, and they come with different colors, as you can see. So we have green, purple, so you can choose according to your taste. I also like them, but now these are the curtains that they are a bit light. Then we come to these ones. So these are heavy duty, so like you can't see any light through passing through them. Then they also have them. They have also these are the curtains, which are like the curtains that I took last time. So they are not heavy and they are not light. They're like just they are in between, but they are really good, and they come with different colors as well. So they come in plain and patterned. So if you like matching plain and pattern curtains, then this is something that you can consider having. So they also are very long, so they make curtains according to how you want them. So you come to the shop, and then maybe you choose what interests you, and then you can have the measurements of the window that you or the place where you want to place your curtains, and then you'll be cut according to the meters. And the good thing with the shop is that they ask you a few questions, even regarding where are you putting the curtains, how long are the curtain rods, and even just how long is the window, so that then they can give you the correct measurements. And also they are very long. The curtains are long, so they fold them for you, so that if your curtain rod is a bit lower, and then maybe you go to another house or a different place where the curtain rods are higher above the window, then you can be able to unstitch and just adjust the length. So that is something that I liked about them. These curtains are really nice, the ones that I'm using right now, but they are also light curtains. So these ones probably you also need a very good sheer curtain. Then also they have shears. As you can see, these are yellow shear with some white and gray flowers. So these are diamond, and this is like a see-through sheer, but they also have the heavy ones. So if you want that, as you can see, you can also have different patterns and colors. And I'm liking these curtain holders as well, which also come with different colors. And yeah, so watch until the end, guys. I'll be showing you different curtains, and where I need to explain something, I will definitely do that and give you more information about them. For the curtain holders, they're going for 500 shillings, but I also think you can ask for a discount. As I always keep saying, guys, when you go to the market, or when you are planning for shopping, first you need to know what you need and what you want. Especially if it's for curtains, you need to just check on your house and see what colors are blending in your house. What do you really have, or what is your interesting color? Do you have an accent wall? If you have an accent wall, then you also need maybe brighter curtains or darker curtains. There are people who like dark curtains, and there are those who don't like dark curtains. Then there were these other curtains that I really love. These are also heavy curtains, and you can see they are also shears at the back. So yeah, it's a one-stop shop. You can get your shears, you can get your blinds, and that is it, guys. And they will give you very good discounts. Always speak for yourself, guys, when you're doing shopping. So watch until then, guys, and yeah, let's see you soon. So the prices of the curtains vary with the curtain that you want. So it might vary whether the curtain is a heavy curtain or a light curtain. They also vary with the patterns and the meters or the length that you need for the curtain. So for each material that you choose from the curtains that they have, then they'll be able to give you the prices for each. So like last time, the ones I was getting for a meter, I was getting for 550, 600 there. I can't remember very well, but definitely when they give you the prices, be wise enough also to ask for discounts, because it all depends actually, even with the shop that you go to or even what you need. So different things, different curtains definitely will not have the same prices because of such factors. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. It was a curtain haul. I really love bringing you information that you probably need, and I like to be very honest enough even with the items that I view and the items that I see. So there are some of the curtains which are a bit heavy, some are light, some have different colors and different patterns, and because we all do have different tastes, guys, that's why I decided to show you a step-by-step guide. And I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Comment down below and tell me if this is something that you would want to see again, and if you want to see even different shops and a haul in different areas of Eastleigh, and even other areas. I can still do a haul for that and just window shop in different areas and give you different prices, guys. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Always guys, look for discounts, because at least you can be able to budget, and always look for discounts so that you don't get overrated prices. If you haven't joined the DI family yet, guys, please just pause here, hit the subscribe button below. Let's grow the channel. Let's grow to more than 1,000 subscribers, so that I can still get more motivation to do these videos, guys. So let's grow the channel, share my videos widely, and if you learned something, guys, always comment down below. I like to chat with you. I like to get your thoughts on different items, and if there's something that you really want me to do, guys, just hit on the inbox and I'll be able to see how I can do that as well. Cheers, guys, have a lovely week, and see you in the next one.